See, just like me.
Hello, welcome to my new tutorial series on Unity for absolute beginners.
Level 3 and she thinks she's rich. What a noob.
If you love games and being creative, then there is no better time than now to start building something great. Thanks for joining me and all other game developers who have bravely blazed a path before you. This series is for absolute beginners. I have chosen the Unity engine simply because it is the engine that I am starting with. There are other great options out there as well, and I will more than likely be touching base on those in future tutorials. Without further delay, let's begin. First things first, download and install the Unity Engine Game Hub. You can find this by doing a simple Google search for Unity download, or you can follow the link I have provided in this video's description that will take you right to it. Use the defaults during installation. It's straightforward. After you install Unity Hub and open it, you will be met with the Get Set Up window. What is Unity Hub? It is your gateway to building and managing your Unity projects. This page will have a few features to be aware of. Don't miss out on the Unity intro video. It showcases some impressive Unity projects. It should give you a pretty good idea of how powerful this engine really is. Note, if you click on the Complete Setup button near the bottom, the welcome page it will no longer appear when you load the hub. You can reset that option in the settings menu. The projects page allows you to create new projects and hold a list of the projects you have already started or finished. The installs page is where you can find and install Unity editors new and old. It's as simple as that. The other pages I'm not going to cover. They are self-explanatory and you can explore those for yourself. However, I will mention that there are some continued resources that are useful on those pages. Use the plus new project button to create a new project. Now you can decide what kind of project you want to start working on. I suggest 2D Core for a beginning project type. Select Universal 2D, name your project, and select the location you want it to be saved. You can leave that default as well if that suits you. Click on the plus Create Project button in the lower right of the screen, and congratulations! You have just created your first 2D project in Unity. This is only the foundation project that has been set up. Now the real fun begins of working on your project. We will start that in the next tutorial. Until that time, think about what kind of game you would like to create. It's good to get the creative juices flowing,